Hello students, in last video we have seen taxonomic categories such as species, genus and family. Okay. Now today we'll study order. Now order is the collection of families which exhibit few similar characters. Okay. So order and it is a collection of families म्हणजे जे फॅमिली सिमिलर कॅरेक्टर्स दाखयता ते एका ऑर्डरान तांकां घालता. The similar characters are less in number as compared to different genera included in the family. So आता हे सिमिलर कॅरेक्टरिस्टीक लेस नंबरान जायत वयता लेस जायत वयता. सो जे दोन फॅमिलीन जे सिमिलरिटीज दाखयता तांकां आमी एका ऑर्डरान ग्रुप करता. ओके. वेर एज कंपेर्ड टू फॅमिली जेनरान तुमकां दोन डिफरंट जेनराच्या भितर खूब सिमिलरिटीज मेळटली. वेर एज फॅमिलीन जेन्ना पावता तुमकां कमी सिमिलरिटी मेळटली आनी हे फॅमिलीज आमी मागीर जे दोन फॅमिली सिमिलरिटीज दाखयता ताका ऑर्डरान घालता. फॉर एग्जाम्पल फॅमिली लायक कॉन्वोलेसी and Solanaceae are included in the order Polemoniales. So this is the order Polemoniales, and order end with ALE, letter alphabet ALE order, whereas family end with EAE. Okay, so family ends with alphabet EAE and orders end with ALE. Okay, so these two families, that is Convolvulaceae and Solanaceae, based on their floral characters, they are grouped into one order that is known as Polemoniales. Now you can see the shape of the flowers in Convolvulaceae as well as in the Solanaceae. So they show certain, because both are gamopetalous and show certain similarities. That's why they are grouped into order Polemoniales. Similarly, the another example is of animals. The animal order Carnivora includes families like Felidae and Canidae. Now you know that Felidae and Canidae. So Felidae and Canidae are the family which includes the groups cat and dog. Okay. Now both are this group into order Carnivora. So all these animals belonging to different families are grouped into order Carnivora. Okay, so this is animal order Carnivora and this is plant order Polemoniale. So you will notice that cats and dogs also show certain similarities. That's why these two different family Canidae and Felidae are grouped into same order Carnivora. Now next higher category, taxonomic category is class. This category includes related orders. So जे order similarity दाखयता आमी families पहिले families similarity दाखयता तांकां orderan घालता. Now those different orders which show similarity we group them into class. For example, order Primata comprising monkey, gorilla, then gibbons is placed in class Mammalia. Okay, so Primata comprising these all are primates, so they are grouped into class Mammalia along with order Carnivora that includes animals like tiger, cat and dog. Class Mammalia has others order also. Okay, आता Mammalian आता हे दोन different order असा, that is Primata is one order and Carnivora is another order. So they are showing certain similarities. That's why they are grouped into same class Mammalia, because all are mammals. Okay, they all are mammals, give rise to young ones. So that's why they are grouped into class Mammalia. Now next higher category is phylum. Okay, now phylum in case of animals and other groups, and in case of plant it is called as the division. So हांगा phylumच्या जाग्यार the plants classification आसला थंय division येतले. Now classes comprising animals like fishes, amphibians, reptile, birds and mammal constitute the next category called phylum. Okay, now phylum सगळे animals येता म्हणून ताका आमी phylum म्हणटा. Okay, The phylum Chordata is based on the common feature like presence of notochord and dorsal holoneural system. Okay. Now this is the notochord म्हणतात ताका notochord and this is the notochord. Okay. आता ह्या फायलम कॉर्डेटान जे एनिमल्स घातलेले आसा तेतून कितें आसा तांच्या बॉडीन तुमकां नोटोकॉड मेळटले. नाव नोटोकॉड इज प्रेजेंट वेन इट ड्युरींग द एम्ब्रियोनिक स्टेज. ओके वेर इट इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू वर्टेब्रा वेन इट ग्रोथ when it grows or when it's mature. ओके सो जेन्ना तो एम्ब्रियोनिक कंडिशन आसता तेन्ना हो नोटोकॉड एक लायन कशी स्ट्रक्चर आसता पण जेन्ना तो ग्रोथ जावपाक लागता एनिमल तेन्ना तो वर्टेब्रान कन्वर्ट जाता. And also you will see presence of dorsal holoneural system. Now this is the dorsal holoneural system. So ह्या दोन कॅरेक्टरिस्टिकान वयल्यान आमी त्या एनिमल्सांक जर ह्या एनिमल्सान जर हे दोन कॅरेक्टरिस्टीक फिचर्स प्रेजेंट आसा जाल्यार आमी तांकां कॉर्डेटान घालता. ओके सो दिस इज अबाउट द एनिमल्स. Now in case of plant, classes with a few similar characters are assigned to a higher category called as the division. So plantsank आमी कितें म्हणटा फायलमाच्या जाग्यार डिविजन म्हणटाले. ओके so such as monocotyledons and dicotyledons, these are two divisions. Okay next, kingdom. All animals belonging to various phyla are assigned to the highest category called kingdom Animalia in the classification system of animals. So हातून kingdom Animalian कितें येतले सगळे animals kingdom Animalia. So you have studied or you will be going to study the 5 kingdom classification, that is Plantae, Fungi, Animalia, Protista and Monera. So these are the 5 kingdoms. So you can see Monera, Protista, Fungi, Animalia and Plantae. So these are the different groups. आता प्लांटेन कितें येतले सगळे प्लांट्स प्लांटेन येतले, सगळे फंगाय किंगडमान येतले, सगळे एनिमल किंगडमान येतले आनी सगळे प्रोटिस्ट किंगडमान येतले, बॅक्टेरिया बीन हे मोनेरान येतले. सो नाव दिस इज द नेक्स्ट हायर कॅटेगरी. सो सगळेच एनिमल्स आमी किंगडम एका ग्रुपान तांकां घालता. नाव टू कन्क्लूड ऑर टू समरायज, so आमी खंयच्यान taxonomic category start with the species, which is the basic unit of classification. Then next higher level is genus, family, order, class, then phylum or division आमी plantsank म्हणटा and phylum आमी animals and last is the kingdom. So हे आमी basic classificationan use करता जेन्ना आमी plants or animals classify करता. Now these are the some examples how it is classified. Say common name. So man घेतले biological name कितें तेचे म्हणजे species Homo sapiens. Sapiens is the species. Genus is Homo. Family Hominidae पडटा तो. Order Primata. Now you will understood. Class Mammalia and phylum Chordata. Okay. So and kingdom कितें जातले Animal kingdom. Okay. तशेंच housefly common name. Biological name तेचे Musca domestica. Genus Musca, family Muscidae, order Diptera, class Insecta, phylum Arthropoda. Now you can see the orders to different classes are different, but they are grouped into different phylum. Now next plantaचे example घेऊया. हे दोन animals झाले, दोन plants. Mango, biological name Mangifera indica, genus Mangifera. Indica is the species, family Anacardiaceae, order Sapindales, class Dicotyledone and phylum or a division. हांगासर आता division येतले Angiospermae. Okay, Angiosperm means flowering plant. Division Angiospermae. Class Dicotyledon, Monocotyledon जाता. Weed, biological name Triticum aestivum, genus Triticum, family Poaceae, order Poales, class Monocotyledone. So you can understand Dicotyledone, Monocotyledone. So those have 2 cotyledon, they are grouped under Dicotyledone class, and those have 1 cotyledon, they are grouped under Monocotyledone class. So both are belong to division Angiospermae because both are flowering plants. So those plants which are flowering, they are grouped under division angiospermic. So this is the examples of classification. I hope you have understood. If you have not understood, we'll discuss during the Google Meet. I will inform you well in advance when I will take Google Meet. Okay, thank you students.